Hey Rod, how's it going? This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for taking the time to click this video and watch it. I spoke to you real briefly earlier this morning about just shooting you a quick video on some things I saw you could do to help improve your online presence and start bringing in more customers through your website. And if you're wondering why I'm even making this video, I just find that a lot of business owners don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves to bring in more business. Typically, the only thing that holds them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Now, when we give these attack plans out for free, though, people will still call me back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd just rather you take care of this stuff for me. So, at the end of the video, if you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could help grow you guys' business, definitely give me a call back. I'd love the opportunity to talk more about it. But if you just want to take this information, apply it yourself, and run with it, be my guest. That's totally fine too. I just want to help you guys out if I can. So, the things I want to go over is just how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you ranked locally in Google's map pack. Okay, so just starting off by looking at your website, like I mean, obviously, like you have one built and it does look good. I like the animations, the color theme is consistent. Little stuff, just to be straightforward with you though, man, I did notice there was some, I don't want to spend all this time, picking through all the fine details, but there were some typos in some of the content and stuff like that. Not a huge deal, but to the person that notices it, that could put them off. One thing too, just while I'm here, is like these guys are your biggest competitor, right? I typed in a generic HVAC contractor in Tyler where you guys are at, and they come up first. Now, I don't even know if this is an actual company or if it's just like a lead generation and they just kind of like subcontract out the work to other actual HVAC contractors, but these guys are getting a lot of business and I don't think it should be that way. But you can see a big thing that's helping them out is how much content they have, right? Google wants to put the company at the top of the list that has enough information to answer their consumers' questions. To be considered authoritative on Google, you need to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage, not just pictures. That's how you stick your keywords in there. But yeah, so to move forward and touch on how to make it more trustworthy, I'm going over to a tool we use called Ahrefs, and it costs us about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us really valuable data on what's going in on the back end of your website and your competitors' websites. And that way we can find out what they're doing right so you can implement that and gain some power yourself. Um, Basically, how to make it more trustworthy is all based on it's based around how many other relevant websites you have linking back to yours. And you can see you have two referring domains, but I'm going to pop over to AC Contractors just because they have more so you get an idea of what I'm talking about. But you can see like Tyler Heating and Air Conditioning Service.com. Go to that exact domain. You may have to make an account, it may cost you, but if you go, they should let you basically have a space where you can have a backlink of your own, right? Lindell Heating and Air Conditioning Service. Literally, you can go make accounts on all of these and have your information, like your website domain, put there, and it'll link back to you, and you can share some of that power from these guys, right? As you can see, they're getting an awful lot of traffic each month. 1,000 people a month are coming to their website, right? You can imagine how much that is turning into sales and actual projects. Um, so that's that. And again, too, we can kind of peek into what keywords they're ranking for. Again, this is why that content is important on your homepage, Rod. Let's see. So theirs are kind of generic, and they're actually not even ranking for any local keywords. AC Repair, Longview, Texas. Like that. That's why you need to have content in your homepage is so you can rank for keywords like that, right? People searching for your service that don't know who you are, those people are going to go to the website that's at the top page of Google. Having more content ranking for keywords like that is going to put you in that spot. So, the last thing is how to get you ranked locally in Google's map pack. Again, I just typed in Tyler, Texas HVAC contractors. If you Most people will skip these ads because they have ad blockers, so they never see them. And a lot of business goes to the people that are in these top three spots right here. And this is really easy to do. It's all based on how many citations you have, Rod. All a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, Facebook even counts as one. So literally all you need to do is have more citations than these competitors. Find out exactly which directories they're listed in and add yourself to the same ones and put yourself in about 50 more on top of that, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. I know it was a lot of information, but just a quick recap. Website doesn't look bad. I would review though and make sure there's no typos in your content, and then add, to however many you need to have, 1,500 to 2,000 words. Go after some of your competitors' backlinks, right? Find out some of the backlinks that they have, but only go after the ones that are relevant to your industry, or you guys are going to lose some power that way. But that will definitely help get you some more traffic. And the same thing goes here. Find out which directories these competitors are listed in, and put yourself in the exact same ones, and then add 50 on top of that. And you can guarantee to expect to see some more traffic through your website, Rod, and help bring you some more business. So yeah, brother, that's all I got for you. I'm gonna get this video over to you shortly. If you found it helpful, you had any good feedback or had any questions about what I could do to actually help you out, definitely give me a call. I'd love the opportunity to talk more about it. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks, Rod. Have a good one. Bye.